Guys, breaking news. Bitcoin could be in this potential scenario where we could see a Bitcoin price of 25,000 US dollars in the near future. Guys, I'm going to show you exactly how I come to this target. And guys, Bitcoin might be actually looking quite bullish right here. We could be in a fourth wave to the downside, which is followed by a fifth wave, which will tell us that we are going to see much higher Bitcoin prices in the near future. And guys, I will also share the exact level Bitcoin needs to hold in order to maintain in this bullish structure. So guys, very important video today. Drop a like, leave your comment down below. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And right now, let's jump into the content. So guys, before we are jumping into the bullish scenario, which could bring the price of Bitcoin up to 23,500 in the near future, let's all take 1 minute and scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. In that way you can support the channel and we can make sure that this video is being pushed to as much people as possible. Then guys, for all the traders out there, right now there is a special bonus of $1,290 US dollars plus a 35% deposit bonus with using one of these affiliate links down below. So if you sign up on the Famex exchange, which is a awesome exchange using for spot trading and margin trading, you can get a bonus up to $680 US dollar. If you sign up on the Bybit exchange, which is a awesome exchange for margin trading, then you can get a bonus up to $610 US dollars. And when you sign up on the Prime XBT exchange using my affiliate link, you can get a deposit bonus of 35% and you can get a 25% discount on your fees. So for everybody who's interested in these bonuses, you can scroll below this video and you can find these links in the pinned comment. And now let's jump into the Bitcoin chart and let's have a look at the bullish scenario. So guys, maybe most of you are recognizing the following chart. Well, I have been presenting this chart a couple of months ago to you guys, like around June, right here in the fourth wave. And this chart is based on Elliot Wave Theory. So guys, Elliot Wave Theory is a technique how you can analyze certain charts, how you can get more clarity in what is happening with the price of a certain asset. And in simple words, actually, the Elliot Wave Theory is a 5-wave structure in the direction of the trend with a 3-wave structure, a ABC, as a correction. So guys, basically we have here a 5-wave structure which we call a motive wave, and here we have a 3-wave structure which we call a correction. And guys, the interesting thing about Elliot Wave Theory is that it often applies very well on Bitcoin. So the moment I have been creating this pattern right here was right here in June. And we have been predicting the top right here of wave 5. And I'm going to show you exactly why we have been predicting the top right here. And we have been expecting this correction, this ABC correction, even to the first target. So guys, this has been a very successful technique over the past couple of months if you applied it correctly. And if we are applying Elliot Wave Theory right now on the price of Bitcoin, on the future price of Bitcoin, then it is predicting a price of Bitcoin up to 23,500 in the near future. So guys, in this period right here, applying Elliot Wave Theory has been quite successful if you applied it in the right way. So guys, I'm going to show you exactly how we knew that we are going to top out right here at approximately 12,400 and that we are going to see a correction after we touch that level, or at least that the probability is quite high that we are starting a correction after touching that level. So first of all, we need to apply the wave structure right here on the price action. So I did it as follow. We have a first wave right here, then we have a second wave to the downside, then we have the third wave, which is known to be as the longest wave in the fifth wave structure. That's the reason why I thought that this is the third wave. Then this is the fourth wave. So the fourth wave is a correction from the increase we have seen in the third wave, and the fourth wave is known for its choppy price action and for its sideways movement. And that is exactly the reason why I thought that this is the fourth wave. So right now we will be using the Fibonacci extension, and we will calculate the Fibonacci extension based on the third wave right here and the fourth wave right here. Now you can see already the Fibonacci levels, and I will extend it a little bit so you can see it more clearly. And right here you can see that the fifth wave to the upside got rejected at the golden ratio Fibonacci level, the 0.618 level. So guys, this was the exact reason why we thought that Bitcoin is going to get rejected at the 12,400 level, due to the fact that the golden ratio Fibonacci extension level is at that exact level. Then guys, this move was followed by a ABC correction, which is also well known and fits in this Elliot wave structure. So we had a wave to the downside, a small B, which is a corrective move from the A wave, and which is followed by a C wave, a further drop. And we actually had two targets here where Bitcoin could retrace to, and the first target was the top of the third wave right here, which was at the level of approximately 10,400, and the second target, if Bitcoin would see a further drop, was the bottom of the fourth wave. So guys, as you can see, Bitcoin dropped to our first target, and if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the fifth wave right here as well, then we can see that it retraced to the golden ratio, the 61.80%. So that is also something I wanted to point out. So this actually showed us that we have seen the correction and that we are starting a new motive wave structure to the upside, a new fifth wave structure to the upside, which we are seeing right now. And guys, that brings me to this bullish analysis, that right here we have seen the correction of the fifth wave structure we have seen right here in the past couple of months, since we have the drop in the middle of March. So right now that could potentially mean that we are forming a new fifth wave structure to the upside. And guys, if I need to draw a fifth wave structure right here, then I would draw it as follow. We have a first wave right here. We have the second wave right here, the correction of the first wave. This is the third wave, which is known to be as the longest wave in the fifth wave structure, which right now looks as well as the longest wave. Right now, we are in the middle of the fourth wave, which is still in play, right? So we still could see lower levels. The fourth wave still need to end. But that means as well that the fourth wave will be followed by a fifth wave to the upside before we are going to see a ABC structure correction. So guys, this would be a very bullish scenario for the shorter term time frame. So guys, right now it looks like we are in the fourth wave, and the fourth wave is a corrective structure from the increase we have seen in the third wave. And normally guys, the fourth wave is not correcting any further than the 38.20% Fibonacci level. So let's draw the Fibonacci retracement tool right there from the top till the bottom. Then we can see right here that the 38.20% right now is at the level of 15,800. So if we are right now in the fourth wave, which will be followed by the fifth wave and could bring Bitcoin in the near future to much higher levels, then Bitcoin needs to hold the 15,800 level. So guys, let's say that Bitcoin eventually would retrace towards the 15,800. That would be the maximum bottom for the fourth wave right here. Now let's get rid of the Fibonacci levels, because now we have the fourth wave right here in place. So guys, when we know the bottom of wave 4, we can calculate the targets for the fifth wave. So for that, we are going to use the Fibonacci extension tool again, and we are going to use that with measuring the third wave right here till the fourth wave, and we extend it so the levels are a little bit better to see. Then we can see right here that the first level, the first target, is the Fibonacci golden ratio right here at 0.618, which is aligning with a Bitcoin price of $21,500 US. Then guys, the next target is the 0.786 right here, which right now is aligning with the 23,100 level. And in some rare cases, unique cases, it is possible for Bitcoin or for the fifth wave to shoot up towards the 1 Fibonacci level extension, which right now would be at approximately $25,000 US. So guys, that is the less likely target. Of course, the first target is the golden ratio Fibonacci level, which right now is at approximately 21,500. So guys, this is a very bullish scenario for Bitcoin in the near future, and I want to show you another reason why I think the 15,800 level is such a significant level right now on the Bitcoin chart. And for that I want to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, and I want to calculate the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom right here we have created since the middle of March and the top that we have been seeing right now. Then you can see that the first Fibonacci level, the 23.60%, is aligning as well with the level of 15,800. So guys, it is not only that the fourth wave based on the third wave shows a significant level right here at 15,800, but right here in the total move we can see as well that the 15,800 is showing some significance. So I do think that if we were to break this level, then we can definitely expect Bitcoin to see lower levels, and that would invalidate this fifth wave structure to the upside as well, and as well the target that we are seeing of 21,500. So guys, I definitely think that if Bitcoin can hold the 15,800 level, that increases the likelihood that we are seeing right here the fourth wave occurring, and we have seen the fourth wave right here as well in June. So this could take some time, right? The fourth wave in June took a little bit longer than 3 weeks, but yeah, afterwards we saw the fifth wave, another leg to the upside. I definitely think that that is a possibility. The likelihood of this scenario playing out is definitely increasing the longer Bitcoin is holding above the 15,800 level. So this is the most important level right now if we have a look at this scenario. But yeah, if we are holding this level and we are seeing another leg towards the upside, then I definitely think we can reach the targets I've just mentioned. And the most important target is of course the Fibonacci golden ratio, which is at approximately 21,500. And as you guys know, if we are seeing another leg towards the upside, then a lot of traders will be watching that level. So if you want to take profits, you should always have your target below the actual target. Then guys, when we have a look at Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame, right now we are looking at the 1 hour time frame, then it looks like we are forming a triangle formation. And guys, like I said in my video yesterday as well, is that the moment we have seen this drop coming along with this significant amount of volume, then that is telling us that most likely we are seeing a continuation of this drop. That is also what we have seen. We saw another drop being followed after this drop. So it looks like we were forming a small bear flag formation right here, and we saw a continuation of that drop. And right now it looks like we are forming a triangle formation where Bitcoin will break out to either today or tomorrow. If we have a look at the RSI on the 1 hour time frame, then I personally think it looks slightly bearish because we are seeing the RSI retracing to the upside while the price is actually moving sideways. So that is a little bit in disbalance. But if we have a look at the 4 hour time frame, then it actually is looking the other way around. Or let's have a look at the daily time frame. Then we can see that the RSI is actually making a steep drop while the price is not correcting that much as the RSI does. So let's have a look at that. We can use the Fibonacci retracement tool for that as well, and we measure the move right here from the bottom till the top of the RSI, and then we can see that we have dropped right now almost below the 50% Fibonacci level, but almost towards the golden ratio Fibonacci level. And if we would apply this retracement as well right here on the price, then we can see that we just dropped below the 23.60%. So here we can see that the price retraced less, or is dropping less steep, is dropping less hard than the RSI, which actually is a bullish sign. But like I said, in the 1 hour time frame, it looks the other way around. So it looks like we might still have some downwards momentum, some bearish momentum left in the price of Bitcoin. Does make sense after we have seen this huge increase in this potential third wave scenario. And if we are staying above the level of 15,800, then we definitely could be in the fourth wave, which will be followed by the fifth wave, and which could bring Bitcoin to much higher levels in the near future. Then for everybody who wants to stay up to date, you can follow me over on Twitter. I will be posting more technical analysis over there. The link to my Twitter account is down below in the description. So guys, it would be awesome if we right now would be in the fourth wave, which means that it will be followed by a fifth wave, and we are seeing much higher Bitcoin prices in the near future. And it would also be awesome, guys, if you all can drop a like, leave a like down below, so as much people as possible can see this potential scenario. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. Please let me know what you think about this potential scenario in the comment section down below. And for everybody who hasn't seen one of my tutorials, you can go over there and check one of those. And I will see you all in the next video.